Ready? Alright, so across the ditch we saw this bear. Okay? So we were looking away, we were just looking at the corn pile, and then we see ribbons. Then about 5 minutes later, this bear steps out in the path. And he comes walking down there. Daddy says, take your time. Then he says, take the safety off. So I took the safety off and click, safety's off. So he looked up like, and then he walked down the path, and right when he got past that tree, kapow, it hit him right there. And then he fell on the ground, he started rolling all around the place. He rolled about 3 yards away from where he got shot. And then Daddy said, shoot him again. And I shot him again. And then I almost shot him a third time till he stood still. And we stood there, we sat there for about a minute. And we got down. And we went down there. He was going, he kept doing that, twitching and stuff. Daddy dragged him a couple ways. He's dead. Now we gotta go get him.
Let's go.
And after we shot, like a minute after we shot, another bear stepped out and was like, what's all the commotion down here?
Get down there with it, baby.
Watch. See if he's dead. Okay? Can I touch him?
Got him all loaded up.
Yeah. We got him.
Look at me. Look.
Thanks for watching Boone Outdoors. Bye. Here we go.